How to cut home heating costs this winter. Denver, Colorado home heating costs can be extremely costly in the wintertime. Fortunately, there are various HVAC tips that homeowners can utilize to reduce their heating bills. First, you'll want to get professional maintenance and heating repair for any broken components. This ensures that your heating system is running as efficiently as possible. Second, inspect the areas around your doors and windows for any cold air. Any air leaks should be filled with caulking or weather stripping. Third, make sure that you run your ceiling fans in reverse. This will recirculate the hot air from the tops of your rooms to the bottom. The more hot air you can push back down towards the floor, the lower your thermostat setting can be. Be sure to contact Dr. Fixit Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric at calldrfixit.com or 720-797-7373 to get professional HVAC service.